Over the past few years, the e-commerce industry have been booming and growing in full swing. In this dynamic and competitive e-commerce industry, PWA, which stands for Progressive Web Apps, is one of the most prominent and fastest growing technological advancements in the e-commerce industry. At Cedcommerce, our prime agenda is to help potential minds bring their revolutionary ideas into existence. We aid the process with the help of our unique e-commerce solutions. Pocky, the owner of the Roosters, an online store for coffee and beverages, is a perfect PWA success story example. She took the initiative to embark on her journey with deep and comprehensive research on what exactly could work best for her idea. She came across the concept of headless PWA and found it ideal as well as revolutionary for her business. She found Cedcommerce and further chose the Cedcommerce Senior Pro theme for her online store that apparently became one of the most inspiring PWA success stories. The informative sessions with the Cedcommerce team on the concept and functionality of the Senior Pro PWA theme guided her to the pathway of developing a powerful website. Now let me tell you the prime PWA features which were successful in catching her interest. Reliability, unmatchable speed and responsiveness, increased engagement, cost efficiency, and high performance. The prime challenge that she faced was to build a highly interactive, accessible, fast and user-friendly yet easy-to-use website. Cedcommerce took a customized and simple approach built around the right tactics to keep a compact configuration and drifting conversion funnel. The super fast response, friendly and informative gesture represented by the highly dedicated team of Cedcommerce sealed the deal for her. We at Cedcommerce feel more than elated to be a part of such inspirational journey of different e-commerce stores and further wish to create more Magento PWA success stories. If you're someone looking forward to creating an online store or want your online store to be a part of one such Magento PWA success story, you can get in touch with our team to know how you can begin your e-commerce journey today.